Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my first Ipsy bag unbagging. Now, I joined Ipsy, I don't know, probably about 2 years ago, and I kept it for 1 month, and then I ended up canceling it. Now, I don't really remember why I did. I can't remember if I just wasn't really into the items that they sent me or something. I don't know. I mean, that's pretty lame. It's like, shouldn't I have given it another try? But whatever. The main reason why I'm starting to get into all these subscription boxes, I don't really want all of my videos to end up turning into, you know, every video is an unboxing or an unbagging video. But what I do want to do is kind of try out as many of these as I can so that I can bring you guys kind of like the best of the best and the worst of the worst. So who has the best shipping, customer service, items on average, you know, all that kind of good stuff, bang for buck, and then who is the worst, so like on the other end of the spectrum. Before we get started and I show you what is in this cute ass pink bag, like, could this mailer be any more adorable? Come on. But before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload videos 3 times a week. Yes, my upload schedule is going to go from 2 to 3 videos. I want to bring you guys content, and obviously I love filming for my channel, so why not up it a notch? And I might even upload more than that. Be sure to hit the bell button so you get notifications. And of course, before you go, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all the cool people in your life. With all that being said, let's go ahead and jump in to this unbagging. All right, so here's what the mailer looks like. I'm not going to show you the front, obviously, because it's got my address on it, and none of you need to know that. Obviously, you've probably seen this before. Everyone and their mom on the internet does Ipsy unbaggings, whatever, but this is mine. I know that these are more fun to watch because Ipsy has so many bag variations that it's kind of like everybody gets something different. Here's what the April bag looks like. You've got these cute little butterflies on it. The theme is social butterfly for this month. Here's what the back looks like. This is kind of a weird concept to me and one that I really don't understand. If you keep Ipsy for an entire year or longer, let's say 2 years, you're going to end up with 24 makeup bags. What on God's green earth are you gonna do with 24 makeup bags? I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna guess you might use a couple for travel, but do you need 24 options? I don't know. Is this part of really what you're paying for? Because most of the stuff they send you is samples. I don't know. Let's see. So in my box, the first thing I want to talk about, which excited me the most, was the Ciate London StarStruck liner. So you've got, I just spilled all the items out of my bag onto the floor. Hold on. So you've got a liner on one end, so it's a felt tip liner, and then on the other end, you guys can see I have swatch stuff on my hand, you've got this cute star stamp. I'm just going to do a demo for you. I have one right there, but why not do another one? Boop, there you go. And how cute is this? I have them on right now. You guys, no joke, I would rock this every day. Don't even care. It's adorable. I think it's so cute. Obviously, I don't think it would be appropriate for the office, but why not? I mean, this is adorable. Sarah, if you are watching this in middle school, or my sister Lindsay, do you remember how everyone used to put like stickers by their eyes? It was such a weird thing, but for like all of 7th grade, if I'm remembering correctly, people would have like these cheap sticker books and they would put like stickers. I remember I had ladybug ones and I would put them right here in the corners of my eye. This is much cuter than that. This is perfect for festival season. You could even do like 3 stars or even do one like in the inner corner here or by your brow, but this is adorbs. Loving it. And even the liner side of this is pretty good. Like, it's pigmented, it's black, it doesn't feel like it pulls, and it looks matte, which is awesome. But yes, this is the first item. Love it. Next one I want to talk about is this Meech and Mia. This is a loose pigment in the shade Copper. I actually do not have a loose pigment like this, and this appears to be full size. So already with these 2 items, boom, 10 bucks, already worth it. I don't have many loose pigments in general, but this shade is really beautiful. I did swatch it. If you had really deep skin, this would even work probably as a highlighter, but it is just so shimmery and beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but with some glitter glue, that would just be beautiful, just swept all over the lid. Can't wait to try that out. Next item is this Trifle Cosmetics Sugar Bunny Heavenly Lip Scrub. You guys, do you remember the Bubblicious Watermelon Gum. First of all, I need some now that I'm smelling this, but that is exactly what this smells like. It smells just like watermelon Bubblicious gum. It is heavenly, just like it says. The smell is intoxicating. I don't even care if the product isn't even that great on the inside because it smells so freaking good. I did test this out a little bit on my hands. I haven't put it on my lips yet at all, but I kind of rubbed some between my fingers. It's not super full of sugar or anything. I don't know if I need to like mix this up more or not, but the granules are very fine where I like very big chunks of sugar, like sugar in the raw, so that I really get a really good exfoliation on the lips. But it does feel like it's gonna be very moisturizing. So either way, maybe in the summer when my lips aren't so dry, this will come in handy for me. You know, sometimes when I sit in front of the camera, I lose my sense of English. Don't ask. And then second to last item is this Filorga Laboratories Paris Meso Mask. This says this is a smoothing radiance mask. This is clearly a sample size item, but whatever. I love masks. You probably get a few uses out of this. I haven't smelled this yet, but oh my God, you guys, that reminds me of what my hotel smelled like in New York. By the way, speaking of New York, let me know if you guys want me to sit down. I tried to vlog, but that was back in November and I really didn't know what vlogging entailed. So a lot of the footage that I got kind of sucked. But if you want me to do like a get ready with me story time of like how I got like engaged, like an in-depth story time, I can actually show you guys some pictures on the screen, maybe do some voiceover. I did get some video of the largest Sephora in the country. The biggest Sephora, I think, I don't know if it's in the world, but I know for sure in the country. I did go through and film. It was huge, you guys, massive. It was so cool. And I have a ton of pictures from the Empire State Building and all that, so let me know. But yes, I will try that mask. And last but not least, we have this brush by Glamour Dolls. It's adorable. It's a soft synthetic brush. This will be good for, you know, crease work, whatever, or even highlighting under the brow bone because it is stiff enough, or even using to shade under the eye. So these are the 5 items I got. To say that 4 of the 5 items I got are pretty much full-size items, totally worth 10 bucks considering you also get the cute little makeup bag. And then obviously you get the sample size mask, but you're gonna get a ton of uses out of this. So hell yeah, this month was a banger. This was an awesome impression for me for my first month. I cannot wait to see what is in next month's bag. My BoxyCharm box is supposed to arrive tomorrow. I got an overwhelming response from you guys on my last BoxyCharm video that you want me to do a try-on style video. Let me know down below if you're still interested in that because I would love to do it. BoxyCharm looks like they put some pretty good stuff in their box too, and I already know the items that I am hoping that I get. Leave me a comment down below if you are also subscribed to Ipsy. What items did you get? Did you love everything in it? Did you get the same as me? Is there one that you loved out of the same items that you got as me? I want to thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I hope you have a beautiful weekend, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!